Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and nothing makes me more proud when we meet with a client that has a vision on how they would like their Tesla interior and exterior to look. Many times it's by inspiration of another car that they've owned, and in this particular customer's case, it was his Aston Martin. While many of us have owned other cars prior to Tesla, this particular individual had an Aston Martin. He absolutely loved it, but at the end of the day, you know, there's nothing better than a Tesla, especially a brand new Model S. However, most of us will agree that sometimes the interior and other elements of our beloved Teslas fall a little short. This is where T-Sportline steps in. We met with this client, he gave us his vision, he passionately shared with us how much he loved his Aston Martin and especially the interior. But before we go inside and I show you what we did, let's just quickly go over the exterior. The car's finished in gloss black, looks great. We left it as is. My car looks like this also, I think it's super cool. But right off the bat, we changed the wheels. The 21-inch wheels that came with the car came off, and we put on our TS 118 one-piece forged wheels that actually have 18 spokes. And of course, we decided to finish the wheels in gloss black to give the exterior this monochromatic look, which absolutely looks great in my opinion. But now, let's go inside the car and let's discuss how we transformed this interior to meet our customers' needs and look like an Aston Martin. Well, here it is. The complete interior from the upper kind of like dash area and down has been reupholstered using Aston Martin saddle leather hides that we imported from the tanneries in Europe. This is the real deal. Super plush, absolutely stunning in color. And to give it a little bit of contrast, take a look at the off-white, almost cream detailed stitching on the door handles, on the seats, and wherever a stitch is required, even on the steering wheel, we use this kind of like cream stitch. Absolutely beautiful. So plush, the seats are more comfortable, and you've got the lower dash, the center console, the armrest, the door panels in their entirety, the seats, the seat backs are actually leather now. How cool is that? And then of course the rear seats as well. Now, the steering wheel. So this customer does not like the Yoke steering wheel. We talk about it all the time, different opinions on that. This is our 360 wheel, and this is the first one done in walnut to match the rest of the walnut wood trim that Tesla put on the dash and the doors. This is a perfect match. How cool is this? The upper curved area, the lower flat area, walnut wood, and then the Aston Martin saddle leather sides at the 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock position really completes this interior. What do you guys think? Do you love this color? Do you think we should have gone with a different color stitching? Because we did discuss black, but I absolutely love the way this came out. And most importantly, so did the customer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't already. I have a lot more videos coming to show you.